Well, whatever's going to happen is going to happen, and we're going to be seeing it on video.
I mean,
you know one of your camera's cracked, right?
Yeah, when it's covered?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, there's another one that's cracked.
It seems to be shooting fine. We'll find out. I can't wait to wear the 360, man. That 360 is going to be cool as shit. So we've been here for 47 seconds. Oh yeah. Oh, that got me. Oh Jesus. Yeah.
I should have sat a bit different.
Just rack my balls, man. Shit.
Ow.
Oh. Son of a bitch, man.
That hurt. You just got like crushed. My nose itches, but I can't reach it.
Well, you're on film right now.
Oh, I got it. Huh?
We've got 1 minute and 43 seconds. Ready? So here we go. You ready?
I can't. Okay, I got it.
clear.
Oh yeah.
Clear. All clear. All clear. Oh, jeez, in the floor. The floor drops away.
Please move all the way down, filling all available seats. Please place all the articles, including windshield.
Oh, you could live under there.
Huh?
You could live under there.
Yeah, but why?
Because this is Marcus's face. He's smiling. And here we go.
Any articles left forward. Once your restraints have lowered,
Wow, yeah. Woo! Holy crap, that sucked.
That feels weird.
Oh,
That feels weird.
it's negative G's, man. They're the worst.
Whoa! That's terrifying. It happened again.
Fudge sauce, mother God!
Yeah!
Fudge sauce, mother God! No! I don't like getting scared.
Ow. That was pretty fun.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
No, it wasn't.
It was actually kind of nice, like air conditioning.
Oh, it was like air conditioning.
Yeah.
It wasn't fun though.
Yeah.
It was very unenjoyable. Unenjoyable.